One love, one heart. Let's get together.
My people, we're there again with the red juice. Healthy living, Zara healthy living. Once more, we are covering some juice, good for the nerves, good for your blood, and good for your nature. It's a juice of man and woman, you know, I tell you, man. It's a juice of one of a kind. Here and now, I put in the beetroot, then we have the carrot, we have the ginger, yeah man. We have the honey, this is the honey. Don't get funny. Just listen. Yeah man. Spice, put it in the spice. Okay. Here we go again. Vanilla. Yeah man. We're going to give you the nutmeg. Greater the nutmeg. One of a kind juices, man. The one that's good for all the young people. Yeah man, we are going to put in some lime. Watch the lime now. Lime juice. More of this. Yeah man. The people put a little more honey. Okay. Add a little more water to it. Follow me. Make sure so you got it now, my people. So skin. Yeah man. Don't miss this one now. You're gonna love this one. Test it out, you know, see what's going on. Yeah, my people. That's what we're there now. Try them out and I want to say how wicked. Smooth, you know. Man, number one.
And feel alright. Hear the children crying.